divide 87 by 2. So here we divide 87 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 4 mean 8. On subtracting we got 0. So now this 0 is less than 2. So we bring down the number beside this 7 and we remove this 0. So 2 times 3 mean 6. On subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number beside. So we put here decimal and we take here 0. So now it became 10. So 2 times 5 mean 10. On subtracting we got 0. So 87 divided by 2 we got 43 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.